I am Mohiuddin Ahmed, Senior Assistant Teacher of Muradpur Adarsh High School. Students, welcome to all of you to join my online English class. How are you, students? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also okay. Now come to the real discussion. Today's lesson is add or make tag questions. It is question number 9. This question is the easiest question of English second paper of class 9 and 10. Students, do you know what is called tag question? I am telling the definition of tag question now. Listen attentively. At the time of speaking, we now and then add a short question at the end of the statement. The question which we add at the end of the statement is called tag question. There are two patterns of question tag. One is affirmative statement plus negative question tag, and the other is negative statement plus affirmative question tag. Before completing question tag, we have to know about some auxiliary verbs which are used in different sentences. There are 24 auxiliary verbs. They are am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. These verbs are called operator also, according to the language of grammar. Now I am giving some examples of tag question. Number 1, the boy is playing in the field. Number 2, the boy isn't playing in the field. Number 3, the headmaster cannot find my online class. In question number 1, the subject of the statement is noun boy, and the operator of the statement is, and also see that the statement is positive. So the tag will be negative. According to the rules of making tag, the negative form of operator isn't will sit in the tag question. Then the pronoun he will sit instead of noun boy, and then question mark will sit. Next, the boy is not playing in the field. Here the statement is negative, so the tag will be positive, and boy is the subject of the statement, and negative operator is seen in the statement. So the rules of making tag: positive operator is will sit in the tag question, and then the pronoun he will sit instead of noun boy, and then question mark will sit at the end of the tag question. Now question number 3, the headmaster cannot find my online class. Here headmaster is the subject of the statement, and negative operator is used in the statement. So the positive operator, positive form of operator can will sit in the tag question, and the pronoun he will sit in the tag question instead of noun headmaster. Students, listen to me attentively. Instead of operators, main verb can be used in the statements. In the statements, the main verb may have 3 different forms. For example, write, the base form of main verb. Writes, s or es, adding form of main verb. And wrote, the past form of main verb. See, some examples are given below for you. Number 1, I write a drama. He writes a novel. And number 3, Rohim wrote a letter. In question number 1, the statement is positive, and I is the subject of the statement, and write, the base form of main verb. So, according to the rules of making tag question, the negative short form of auxiliary verb don't will sit in the tag question, and then pronoun I, and at the last of the tag question the question mark will sit. Next, he writes a novel. It is also positive statement. Here he is the subject of the statement, and s or es adding form of main verb is used in the statement. So, the rules of making tag question doesn't will sit in the tag question, and pronoun he will sit. Lastly, question mark will sit. Question number 3, Rohim wrote a letter. In this statement, the subject of the statement Rohim, and main verb here is seen past form. So, according to the rules of making tag question, didn't will sit in the tag question, and he instead of noun Rohim, and then question tag is used at the end of the tag question. Students, I have discussed about some rules of making tag question. Next class I will teach you about more rules of making tag question. This will help you. Today's online class is end here. You will practice more and more at home. See you again. Stay home. Stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.